Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have witnessed their fair share of wild family moments, but Amy Slaton's latest wedding idea has truly left everyone stunned. The TLC star, who has been navigating the ups and downs of love and life alongside her sister Tammy, has revealed that she wants her next wedding celebration to be nothing short of bizarre, creative, and completely unforgettable. According to sources close to the reality TV star, Amy is dreaming of a shipwrecked Halloween-themed wedding held at an abandoned asylum, and as you might expect, her sister Tammy Slaton had a reaction that could only be described as savage. The shocking revelation has not only sparked an uproar in the Slaton family but has also left fans debating whether Amy's unconventional plans are genius or simply going too far. Amy Slaton's love life has been a rollercoaster ever since fans first met her on 1000 LB Sisters. After her first marriage, she became a mother and focused on raising her kids while still juggling the demands of reality TV. However, the star has recently found love again and is looking to tie the knot with her fiancé in a celebration that fully expresses her personality. Those who have followed Amy know that she has always been quirky, fun-loving, and unapologetically herself, which is why the idea of a shipwrecked Halloween wedding at an abandoned asylum somehow feels very on brand for her. Insiders claim that Amy has been obsessing over the idea for weeks, creating mood boards, researching haunted locations, and talking to event planners who specialize in themed weddings. What exactly would a shipwrecked Halloween asylum wedding look like? According to Amy's vision, the event would be held in a historic building with a dark past, giving it the ultimate haunted vibe. Guests would arrive in costume, dressed as everything from ghostly sailors to creepy sea creatures, in keeping with the shipwrecked element of the theme. The ceremony would be illuminated by flickering lanterns and fog machines, creating a chilling yet magical atmosphere. Amy reportedly wants her wedding cake to look like a broken ship emerging from dark ocean waves, while the reception tables would be decorated with tattered sails, skeletons, and uttered treasure chests. She even plans to incorporate eerie sound effects like distant ship horns, creaking wood, and ocean waves crashing in the background to immerse her guests fully into the experience. When Amy shared this unique wedding vision with her family, the reactions were mixed, but none were as fiery as Tammy Slaton's. The older Slaton sister, who has never been shy about speaking her mind, reportedly rolled her eyes and immediately dismissed the entire concept as ridiculous. Sources close to the family revealed that Tammy's savage reaction included comments like, "Why would anyone want to get married in a place where ghosts probably still live?" And, "That's not a wedding, that's a horror movie set." Tammy allegedly told Amy that she would not be caught dead walking into an asylum in a Halloween costume just to watch her sister get married in a shipwrecked setting. Fans who know Tammy's blunt personality can easily picture her shutting down the idea without any sugarcoating. The tension between the sisters over this wedding idea has reportedly grown, with Amy defending her vision as creative and meaningful while Tammy insists that the whole plan is both scary and impractical. Amy believes that a traditional wedding would not reflect who she is as a person, and she wants her big day to be a celebration of her unique style. In contrast, Tammy has always been more cautious and skeptical about going over the top for events like this, often clashing with Amy's free-spirited approach. Their dynamic, which has been a driving force in 1000 LB Sisters, is once again on display as fans get a glimpse into their personal disagreements over life's biggest milestones. Social media has been buzzing ever since news of Amy's wedding theme idea leaked. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters are divided, with some praising her creativity and others siding with Tammy's harsh reaction. One Twitter user wrote, "This is the most Amy thing I've ever heard. I'd totally go to a haunted shipwreck wedding." While another commented, "I'm with Tammy on this one. That sounds like a nightmare, not a wedding." The debate has only fueled speculation about whether the event will be filmed for an upcoming season of the show, as TLC producers are undoubtedly aware that a wedding this wild would draw huge viewership. Adding to the drama, Tammy's reaction reportedly included a threat not to attend the wedding if Amy went through with the asylum Halloween shipwreck plan. For fans, this instantly raised alarm bells, as the sisters' relationship has been through many ups and downs over the years. Tammy's savage reaction could easily snowball into a full-blown feud if she sticks to her decision, especially given how much Amy values having her family present on her special day. Insiders say that Amy has been trying to convince Tammy to at least give the idea a chance, promising that it will be fun and unforgettable rather than frightening or inappropriate. Despite the backlash, Amy is pushing forward with her vision and has already started reaching out to potential venues. Finding an abandoned asylum that will allow a wedding celebration is no easy task, as such locations often have strict safety and liability concerns. Nevertheless, Amy is determined to make it work, even if it means settling for a haunted historical building that can be transformed into the shipwrecked asylum atmosphere she's imagining. Event planners specializing in themed weddings have confirmed that while unusual, her idea is achievable with enough creativity and dedication. Fans are now wondering whether Tammy's reaction will soften once she sees how much this wedding means to Amy. Over the seasons, viewers have seen the Slayton sisters clash and reconcile numerous times, and this situation may be no different. Amy's willingness to embrace her unique style and Tammy's fiery skepticism are hallmarks of their dynamic, and many fans are hoping that love and family will ultimately win over the drama. If the wedding does go forward as planned, it could become one of the most iconic moments in 1000 LB Sisters history. A shipwrecked Halloween asylum wedding would not only reflect Amy's personality but also give fans a memorable event that embodies the wild, unpredictable energy of the Slayton family. Whether Tammy attends or not, Amy seems determined to live out her dream wedding, even if it means turning a haunted asylum into a love-filled shipwreck celebration. As the story continues to unfold, viewers are eagerly awaiting any official updates from the Slayton sisters, hoping that cameras will capture every shocking, hilarious, and heartwarming moment of this one-of-a-kind wedding journey. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.